Good day, Brent from CCPR here, and this is a tutorial on how to set your printer to auto print, or set your computer to auto print print weekly. You could either do it two ways. You could either manually do your prints yourself or do an auto print, right? So right now I have one for Windows 8, one for Windows 7, and I'm going to show you how to do it on Windows 10. So the reason I'm doing this is because a lot of customers have been coming and saying that their cartridges are full but they're not printing. You will see on the display that ink is full but it's still showing blank sheets. The reason for that is your cartridges are drying up, and if you don't do prints occasionally with your cartridges, especially in inkjet cartridges, the smaller machines, it will dry up. This printer has a print head. It will dry up eventually if you don't do prints with it. Yes, it's advisable that you always keep your printer on. The printer will keep it in check and make sure that the ink doesn't dry up. So I have to speed up the explanation for now, because in a minute I have a print coming through for this printer. So I have to connect the printer USB, and we will be waiting for 1010. Oops. For it to pick up the USB. So at 1010, this printer will print, right? I have set up a script, and this print will print at 1010, right? So this will print black as well as all the colors, so that it will make sure that your color cartridge and your black cartridge is fully used. And weekly it will set. This task scheduler here is ready to print at 10:10 every Wednesday, which is today, right? A sheet from this printer. I will show you the steps that I will take to do this, but I want this to go through first. 10:10 has reached. Let's see if it will start. Hopefully it starts. It would not do it immediately. It will take a little time before the script kicks in. So you see, it came up on the screen there just now, and it's going to print. Time is 10:10, so it'll take 10:10 and some seconds to do the print. So it's going to print here right now. Let's see. Right. So you'll print it landscape so that it would not use up a lot of your ink. You just want to get black and your colors to print, and it should be doing it every Wednesday. Well, since I set it up this way, every Wednesday it will print this at 10:10. So I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to show you how the Windows 7 will just, if you don't have, because you have to have your computer on at this specific time, so you have to set it at a certain time so that it will print, so that you know when your computer on and your printer on at the same time, it will print and it would not skip a week. If you want to do it at a closer every day, which it doesn't really recommend it, really do that, you'll waste out your ink. You could do that. I'm going to do it that, I'm going to put it, do a print from the Windows 7 machine, and I will just have the script there for you to double click. So that's if you want to double click and you do it manually for yourself, if you don't trust the system to do it and you know your computer may not be on. So I'm going to pause and move the USB to that, and we'll show it from there. So coming back. Okay, I'm back and I have it set up here to print again. So this is the script here. It will print the same document. You just double click on it. It will get ready. It's sending the print, and it will take a little bit, and it will print again, right? Right, so this is from Windows 8, Windows 7. I'm gonna pause. So that's the double click way to do it, where you manually do it. And whenever you're ready to do it, you just send it to print from your computer. You just set this up on your computer desktop or wherever you want to put it, and you'll get a print from your computer. I mean from your printer. So pausing again, and then I'm going to show you the quick steps to set it up. And if you're feeling lazy to do it, I could possibly set it up. I'll say that at the end of the video. So pausing again. Alright, I'm back, and this is from my desktop. I connected the USB to the printer here already. I'm gonna show you the whole rundown on how to do it. Right. So first off, I will give you all this script here for you to set up. The main things that you'll have to change is two things. You'll have to change the location of where the print is coming from based on where you have the document on your computer, right? So first off, we will go into the search bar. This is in Windows 10, and you type Control Panel, right? And you will get View Devices and Printers. So you click, it'll open up, and it'll show all your printers. This is the printer that I have here, the 8610. You right click, choose Properties, and you will copy the name of the printer in here. So you highlight it and you right click and choose Copy, because you have to get the exact name of the printer so that the scheduler will pick it up. So you take that off, take this off, and you open up the .bat file. So I'll show you how you make the .bat file, but I'm just showing you from here. You move your mouse and you highlight the section that has the quotes, and you right click and paste. So you're pasting in that document. So it's a .bat file. So you're naming it a specific thing. So I named it testautoprint.bat. But for you to save it as a .bat file, just File, Save As, and you make sure and type in .bat. And you have this on all files. And you click Save, right? So I have saved it here. Well, I won't save it just yet because I still have to show you something. So after you do that, you have the MS Paint and the location of the folder. So the folder in my case, so we're going down here, and the folder I have it in is on my desktop, right? From my desktop to the weekly print. That's the name of the folder. So you can click here. So this is where you have the file, right? I had it on the desktop in both occasions before, but I just decided to put it in a folder. So you right click, so you click here and get the whole name of the location of the folder where your documents are. So where the main file, where the script is, and what you're printing. So you have both of them in the same folder, so it'll be easier for you for the schedule to locate it. So you right click, choose Copy, and you highlight the same area where the quotes, so you're leaving the quotes and you're highlighting the whole area. You right click and you paste. So I have to remove the J. Alright, one mistake there. So you have to get this in the name too. So for you to get that, you'll have to right click, choose Properties, and then choose here, highlight. So you disregard that last part. So you're highlighting this whole thing. So you just right click on the print, the test print page. You right click on it, you choose Properties, and then you go into location, you highlight it and you copy, and you put it up here in the same location that I just said. Right click and paste. So why are you telling me? Oh, don't wait. I'm gonna pause a bit. Alright, so the only mistake there is that you will have to copy this as well, the name of the file. Copy and paste it right here. Sorry, paste it right here. but you'll have to put a backslash and make it that, right? And then you save it, and now the batch file is complete, right? So that is finished with. Now we're going to task scheduler, sorry. So choose task, so you type task, and task scheduler should come up. You click on it, then you go action, create basic task, you name it something. So I will just name it auto print. Hard doing this with one hand, boy. I-N-T. M. Well, yes. First time. Alright, so finish there. Then you click next. Then you choose weekly. Then click next. Then you choose the time that you want it to print. So for this sake, I'll put it at 10:24. Right? Recur once a week on the date, which is Wednesday. Then you click next. Then you say start a program. Then browsing, you're looking for the location of the file. So you go desktop or wherever it is, desktop. And we're looking for weekly print, and you're choosing this, and then you click in open, and then you click next, and you click finish, and by 10:24 we should be getting a print. So I'll pause it a little bit and then wait for it to finish. Okay, so it's 10:24, and we'll just wait until this gets ready to print, if it prints at all. Right, so it gets ready to print here now. This is the last one I'm going to do so. Right, so that's it. This is the last one. So from Windows 8, from Windows 7, from Windows 10. And that's about it. I know it's a long video. I'll try to do timestamps. And if it is that you're having an issue from following what I was doing, I just wanted to show you the gist of it. I could do it for you all. Just tell me where I need to have it located, and you could get any desk, and any desk is easy to set up, and I could sort it out for you all and do it. Well, at a price, but at least you'll be able to save ink, as well as make sure that your cartridges are fresh every time you want to print, and you won't be wasting money when you do prints. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.